Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and I post every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day in short time. I post video of 2 or 3 or 5 minutes. So let's begin today's lesson. Our first phrase is divano. Divano. Sofa. Divano. In English, it's sofa. Next one is tavolo. Tavolo. Table. Tavolo in English, table. Next one is sedia. Sedia. Repeat after me if you want. Divano. Tavolo. Sedia. Next one is letto. Letto, bed. Letto in English is bed. Armadio, armadio, wardrobe. Armadio in English is wardrobe. Next one is scrivania, desk. Scrivania, scrivania, desk. Letto, armadio, scrivania. Letto in English is bed, armadio, wardrobe, and scrivania is desk. Next one is comodino. Comodino, bedside tables. Bedside tables in Italian is comodino. Comodino. Next one is credenza. Credenza, sideboard. Credenza, sideboard. Next one is libreria. Libreria, bookcase. Next one is poltrona. Poltrona, armchair. Armchair, poltrona. If you like the video, then don't forget to click the like button and comment on this video. And if you are a new viewer, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. If you want to learn a language fast, you all need to practice your language or Italian every day in your daily routine. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.